Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we are taking a look at the best AB roller with elbow support that brings powerful core training right into your home. If you want to build stronger abs with better comfort and control, this might be exactly what you need. Let's see what makes it stand out. Let's get started. The Flexella AB roller with elbow support is designed to give you a more stable and effective core workout. It combines smart engineering with comfort-focused details so you can train harder without feeling unnecessary strain. It is built for all fitness levels, whether you are just starting out or already experienced. One of the key features is the 3 adjustable resistance levels. This allows you to control how challenging your workout feels. If you want to focus on endurance, you can choose a lighter setting. If you are aiming for more strength and power, you can increase the resistance. The Flexella AB roller with elbow support grows with your progress, making it easier to improve over time. Another important feature is the removable elbow support. This adds extra stability during movement and helps reduce unwanted side shifts. With better control, your abs, especially the rectus abdominis and obliques, are engaged more effectively. It also allows you to adjust your workout style when needed, giving you more versatility in your training routine. Comfort is a big part of the design. The Flexella AB roller with elbow support includes cushioned elbow rests that reduce pressure on your wrists and shoulders. This helps you maintain proper form during longer sessions. When your joints feel supported, you can focus more on your core muscles and less on discomfort. The automatic rebound system is another standout feature. As you roll forward, the system stores energy and then smoothly assists you on the way back. This makes each movement more controlled and fluid. It also adds a layer of support, especially for beginners who may find traditional ab rollers more challenging. The wheel itself is made from premium rubber. It rolls smoothly on hardwood, carpet, or tile without making noise or damaging the floor. The motion feels stable and controlled, which helps you stay focused on your form and breathing. In terms of design, the Flexella AB roller with elbow support looks strong and well-built. The materials feel durable, and the overall structure is solid. It is compact enough to store easily, yet sturdy enough to handle intense workouts. In short, the Flexella AB roller with elbow support combines adjustable resistance, removable elbow support, cushioned comfort, an automatic rebound system, and a premium silent wheel into one effective training tool. It is designed to help you build a stronger and more defined core with better stability and control. Ready to level up your core workouts? Check the price link in the description to learn more about the Flexella AB roller with elbow support. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Products for more great product updates. See you in the next video.